Hello guys, hope you're doing fine. This is Nzdjpy, New Zealand dollar and Japanese yen, and we are in currently monthly time frame. So it made a double top on December, and the market has broken that this month already. It has taken out the uh, previous high here, and now it is testing water somewhere here. The highest level we can see is here. Let's mark it, and this is the area the market is testing the ground, testing the water, how far it can go, or will it stop here or something like this. So 94087 is the next target of the market, as it has already, you guys can see it has taken out the previous top already, and the market seems to appear very bullish. If you draw the monthly trend line with the latest one, if we draw even, you can see that the market is quite amazingly maintaining a very good gap with the trend line. It is not coming back testing the trend line except this area at all. But however, if we consider the previous trending, then we can see the market is getting weak after this retesting this area ranging, what it is giving it a push on the upward, on the upward, on the top side. So this analysis is very important because New Zealand dollar and JPY is reaching somewhere which has been tested long back in 2014, and also which has been long back tested in 2007. So we need to maintain a very cautious. And also there is another thing I would like to tell you, that the overnight interest charge is very high in FOMC and other platform. So if you go for long-term sell, I mean go against New Zealand dollar and in favor of JPY, the interest will cost a lot of money overnight. So be careful when you take the sell trade or go short. This is the thing, and so far I can see the market is still bullish. There is nothing else wrong with it, and let's get back to weekly now. And in weekly, what happened to our marking? Hold on guys, I need to turn them on in weekly and daily so we can work things out there. This is the top in the month, and we should define the bottom here also. Okay, now getting back to weekly. If we go, today is Monday, and the market is now currently showing weakness. You guys can see that it came down and it started moving up, and now it is showing some sense of the strength. The candlestick is getting weak, and maybe we'll see some color in this week here in weekly. And if we see the weekly trend line, if we draw it, how does it doing, we can see something maybe. So let's draw the trend line here. So this is the weekly trend line, and you guys can see that it has knocked once, twice, thrice already in the trend line in the week. So anything happens, if the trend changes, please remember the market needs to go like this. There will be always a point where it has to be flat, ranging, then it will come down like this. Okay guys, so keep that in mind. That is the way things works out. So it is slowing down. So still the market is bullish. It has to test water here somewhere, and also the upside, the limitations is coming very big. Resistance are lying ahead. In daily, today is Monday. You guys can see we have a bullish candle here. However, it has not left any imbalance. Let us check with the weekly. Yes, we have a very big imbalance left weekly in this area, so it needs to be addressed by the market before it moves up. That is my way of thinking, of course, my analysis. In daily, if we go there, now you guys can see it is visible here too, and there is a little gap here, I think, but it is insignificant in daily. In terms of daily, if we guys say a little bit of imbalance has been left here, and I don't want to see this in days, only month. It is okay for daily. Okay. So that's it. But now let's get back to 4 hourly. So in 4 hour, what we are seeing now is the market has went up. Market created a very beautiful flag here, and the flag is broken. Once retested, broken, and it is only moved up. Very clear indication of bullishness in 4 hour T that happened here. Now what we will do is, where should we take the trade? In daily, we have a little gap here. Let's mark it out so we can understand a little about the whole thing. Let me mark it. This is the imbalance left in daily time frame, to be honest with you, only a little bit. This is the only thing. So if we go to 4 hourly, this is the place where the market has not addressed. The rest of the imbalances has been created here, but still we are today the market is ongoing, so we cannot consider that. Apart from that, I don't see anything else. So my opinion is this: as we are heading, if we go to daily, and you guys can see that we are heading for the next stop here, which is far in 2015 higher. So maintain every cautious that we take a sell and we don't get trapped. It moved up, or we get a buy and it started getting bearish, we get trapped there. So for NZD and JPY, please maintain every cautious, especially the overnight charges are very high. So if you go short, try to do intraday trading, and until you are very sure that it is worth to take the risk to go short for a long time. Because I'm expecting something red here, only then I will go for short for long term. In weekly, still it is bullish. In daily, it is bullish. So don't go against the trend. My suggestion is simple: let it just try to take out this and move on. So wait for that. Or you can do another thing. It may come here to test the water, and then it will move down. I will favor to wait for this place. I will not go with this one, because all liquidity has been taken out from here. You guys can see it moved, came down here, tested the weekly trend line, taken the liquidity, moved on. Again it ranged. But after taking the liquidity here, it is not pushing that much. The impulse move from here, if we measure from here to here, is around 260 pips in maybe 1.5 weeks. Whereas after taking 1, 2, 3, 4, the move is here 96, not even half of that. So it needs some liquidity to go to push the market there on the upside. And another issue may be the big financial institutions are creating traps to put the price on a big, give a big push here, sell out their stake, and come out and trap the people, the individual small buyers here, and come down. So be careful about Nzdjpy. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe, like or dislike even. Please subscribe. Thank you.